And as far as questions are concerned, after I finish, you may ask as many questions as you like, but one by one so that everybody can listen. And raise your hand, identify whether it is which paper or which TV channel, and ask the question. We came here day before yesterday in the evening from Guwahati and started our work with a presentation from the CAO and from the police nodal officer yesterday morning. After that, we had more than 2 hours of interaction with the political parties. A very in-depth interaction with the political parties. Because we are of the firm view that after the voter, the most important ingredient of the election is the political parties stroke entities. After that, we had again another detailed interaction with all the central and state enforcement agencies. After that, we had a meeting till about 10:30 yesterday night with DMs, police commissioners, SPs, divisional commissioners and IGs. It was one of the longest meetings we had in the recent times because they all had a lot to contribute by way of giving us feedback and to reply to our queries. Today morning, we started our day by meeting the 3 disability icons of West Bengal, and it was a memorable meeting in the sense that one could sense the way they have tried to triumph over their circumstances and still maintain their peace, equanimity, harmony, and are in fact trying to help the Commission. After that, we had a meeting with Chief Secretary, Principal Secretary Home, DGP, and all their senior officers. And as has been the tradition of the Commission, now we are in front of you, the 4th estate of the country, who are as important an adjunct of the Commission and always helpful in the electoral process. All these 3 people whom we met in the morning, they are the icons for the Election Commission of West Bengal, stated icons, and they have been participating in a number of ways. So press is the last court of our kind of last stop before we leave for Delhi. The term of the State Assembly in West Bengal is due to expire on 30th May 2021. Election Commission of India is committed to conduct forthcoming assembly elections in the state in free, fair, ethical and safe manner while endeavoring to ensure higher voter participation amidst peaceful, harmonious atmosphere. And in case the voter participation in West Bengal has been very high. In 2016, it was 82.80. In 2014, Parliament, it was 82.20. In 2019, it was 81.69.